Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my Ipsy Glam bagging for May. Well, two Ipsy Glam baggings for May. I have my regular $10 subscription, and then I just started getting Glam Bag Plus starting this month. So I'm going to be unboxing both in this video. So you guys want to know what is in each of my Ipsy bags for May, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to start things off with the $10 subscription for this month. Let's see. Okay, the first thing I see is a brush. Ooh, this is so cute. I like this bag. I love glitter. Glitter is my favorite color. So here is a brush. This is from the brand. It doesn't say, but this is a blush brush. It looks like this is a really pretty brush. I would actually use this for contour more than blush. I like a big fluffy blush brush, but I would definitely use this for contour. And let's get in the bag and see what the theme is. Yeah, so the theme for this month is Ipsy Daydream, at least in the regular box. I wonder if they have the same theme for both boxes. Let's see. All right, so here, is this from Pixie? Yes. This is from Pixie. This is maybe an eyeliner. Eyeliner in Rose Glow. I can't like even read the text, it's so like glittery. So this looks like a full-size eyeliner from Pixie. I've tried the Pixie eyeliner. Ooh, that is pretty. I love this color. I thought it was gonna be more rosy, but this is more of like a bronze shade. So that's the shade Rose Glow. I'm totally gonna wear this like every single day. I love colors like this. That's so pretty. Next up, this is from the brand Philorgia. It took me forever to say that. Philorgia. This is called Time Filler Absolute Wrinkle Correction Cream. Little skincare product. We need to put it to the smell test. That scent just made me kind of emotional for some reason. It brought me back to like, I don't even know what. It smells exactly like some product that I had when I was like 12. Can't really name the scent, but it's kind of like an ocean mist scent. I'm wondering if it's like a Bath & Body Works product that it smells exactly like. There's some product in my lifetime that smelled exactly like this, and it just brought back like that memory. But aside from the scent, I'm totally gonna use this. I've never heard of this brand. I love trying out skincare products. This is a big product, let's see. Oh, Illamasqua. I've heard of this brand, but I've never tried anything from them. This is the Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. So I guess another skincare product. I like this packaging. I feel like this looks very expensive. I feel like this is probably an expensive brand. Oh, this is interesting. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. It's like a little gel. So I guess it did say hydrating gel in the name, but I didn't expect it to actually look like I just ripped open a new Jello. And that also smells amazing and oceany as well. But Illamasqua, I've never heard of their like skincare products. I don't even know if I can name any of their makeup products. I've just heard of the brand. I believe it's like a professional makeup artist brand. I'm not sure where you can purchase them. I feel like by Memorial Day weekend, both of these are gonna be used up, especially this. I think this is so adorable. Oh, yay. And then we get a Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Claire. I really love, ooh, forget how like plumping that feels. It feels like a jalapeno a little bit. It's not uncomfortable. At least like I love the feeling of like lip plumping products because I feel like it really works. I really love the Buxom lip creams. I've been using them for years. I'm excited to have another one. Totally awesome bag. I feel like just this too makes the bag worth it. Love the eyeliner as well. Illamasqua, I've never tried anything from them. I have been wanting to try something from them, and this is probably the thing I'm the least excited for because I've never heard of this brand, but I'm still gonna use it. I love getting skincare. Overall, really good bag. The bag itself is really cute as well. So no complaints with the $10 subscription this month. Now let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. I'm so excited. I really hope I get some skincare that I like. Let's see what's inside. This one says, be free, be true, be you. Okay, that's all it says. But basically, ooh, I like everything in here. All right, so I'm actually already excited. I think that I got a great box. Like I can see every product in there, so there's no surprise now because sometimes like BoxyCharm, they wrap everything up like kind of secretive and you just keep unboxing. But I just opened this up and everything is just like there. So first of all, we got some Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks. I have tried these. I think I might have like one in my collection right now, but I've definitely tried these before. Super, super fun. They actually work. They're a little bit messy, so it's not like the most ideal situation, but basically I think you can just put this on like my face right now and it removes all the makeup, it dissolves everything. Really fun product. All right, so next up, this brand. I love this brand. Well, I've only tried one product, but I think they only have like one other product. So I've tried 50% of their collection and I love it. Let me actually show you what that product is. All right, so the brand is Yensa and the product I have of them is the BC foundation. Really, really love this. I've been using this a ton for like the last like 2 months. It's kind of like a BB cream. Super awesome. It has like black tea in it. So then the product that I got in my Glam Bag is the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. So let's check this out. So the owner of the brand Perlise actually created this brand. So let's see, I want to check out if it's like a glowy primer. I think I'm going to be all about it. All right, so this is what the texture looks like. And it feels like a little bit tacky. I put way too much on my hand, but it feels like a little bit tacky, which is good for a primer because it helps your foundation stay on. And I feel like it has a little bit of an herbally scent. It doesn't actually have like a shimmer to it. I thought it would have a glow, like a shimmery finish since it says Essential Glow. But I'm definitely excited to try this out because I have actually been really enjoying this product from them. So I have the other product now. And then we actually got something from Perlise as well. And I actually have this. I have this in a mini size. This is the Candy Johnson and Perlise Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. I have this on my bathroom counter right now. So I'm not going to open this one because I do have one. Basically, you know those push pops from like the Flintstones from like 1995? The orange creamsicle ones, exactly what this smells like. So, so, so good. Really hydrating, very moisturizing, very creamy. Awesome, awesome product. And because I only have a mini size of that product, I basically force myself not to use it so I don't use it up. So now I can actually use it and not have dry skin every day because I've been like portioning it out throughout the week. So next up we have a product from Wander Beauty. This is the Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. So this is what the colors look like. So I'm excited about that because it has like some coral shades, some blues in there. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, those are such pretty shades. I was expecting something less exciting, honestly. I love, like, just if you guys could see this up close, the foil shimmer like pops. That makes me think this is gonna be a really good palette. Swatches, oh my gosh, they feel so creamy. I don't know why I'm so excited about this right now. All right, all of these swatches look perfect, and I just took lipstick off my teeth. I don't know how long that's been there, but ignore that if that's been there for a while, but these colors are amazing. I love these shades, and they all swatch so good. So pretty, just like swatching it, it feels so creamy, super pigmented. Oh, I totally am excited for this because honestly, before I opened this up, I thought it was just gonna be like mediocre looking. I don't know why. I need to give them more credit because I really haven't tried a lot from Wander Beauty, but these swatch so gorgeous. I love all these shades. I would use every single shade of that. So I've never heard of that palette before and I think I'm really gonna like it. All right, so we got one more product. What is this? Oh, this is also from the brand Alamasca. These are lip pencils. So let me go ahead and get these out of the packaging. So we have a pink lip pencil. This one's in the shade Media. And then we have one that is kind of red. This one's in the shade Lust. Let's swatch them out. This is the red shade. It's kind of like a corally, like a little bit of an orangey hint, more like a watermelon red. And then the pink one is very pink. These actually look pretty similar to each other. This one is the shade Media, and then underneath is the shade Lust. So I have been really into lip pencils, and I don't know that I'll wear the red one a ton because I prefer something super matte when it comes to red and like really bright lip colors, but I think I'll wear the pink one, and I could actually wear it with like the little buxom gloss that I got as well. But overall, honestly, both boxes awesome this month. Like both were totally worth it. I'm just like blown away by this Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette. I don't know why. I thought to myself, like, I shouldn't even open it because I don't want it. Like, I don't even know if I want to open it because I might just end up giving it away. But once I saw the shades and the pigmentation, I want to wear this like tomorrow. So I'm I'm probably gonna do that. I'll keep you guys posted on that palette. I will probably do an Instagram video with it because I'm excited about that palette. And I honestly really like everything that I got in both of my subscriptions this month. I feel like it was a good month to kick things off with doing both in one video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely want to, I think I want to keep doing it like this with the both unboxings in one video. Let me know if you just want to see Glam Bag Plus, but I think it's fun to show you guys like the differences or what brands come in each. So that is everything for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys ended up getting in your boxes. Let me know if you're subscribed to the $10, to the $25. Let me know if you signed up for Glam Bag Plus. Just let me know your thoughts in the comments. But that's going to be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.